The health benefits of flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, are a tiny superfood packed with essential nutrients. These little seeds have gained popularity for their potential positive impacts on our well-being. Flax seeds are renowned for their high omega-3 fatty acid content, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. These healthy fats can reduce inflammation, support brain health, and lower the risk of heart disease. Not only are flax seeds a great source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation, but they also contain lignans. These powerful antioxidants protect cells from free radical damage and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. Flax seeds can help control appetite, support weight management, and balance hormones. They promote skin and hair health, and their minerals and omega-3s contribute to strong bones. To maximize their benefits, consume ground flax seeds or flaxseed oil. You can easily incorporate them into your diet through smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods. Just remember to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions.